Friends, welcome to our eVidya classes. Students, today we are going to learn a new lesson. Okay, so before going to start a new lesson, students, we will discuss something new before going to start. So I would like to ask one question, students. See, students, every day in our day-to-day life, we are having lunch, breakfast, we are eating different things. Not only we, the human beings, but also the other animals also eating. It may be dog, cat, tiger, elephant, and squirrel, insect. All are having the foods for their needs. Yes or no? When you are feeling hungry, you are eating. Yes or no? When you are family member in lunch time, dinner time, you are getting hungry, you are sitting together and you are eating. Yes or no? So can you tell me, when you are eating, where you are giving to food? To whom you are giving to food? Yourself. Okay, your hand, you are taking your food with your hand and you giving to inside the mouth. Yes or no? That food is going to where? Very good. It is going to inside your body or stomach. Understood? So if you will give, students, to other things your food, like if you want to give the food to your bed or TV or mobile phone or any other object, like for example, if you want to give food to door, okay, can they will eat the food? They will take your food from you? No, very good. If you give to these things, food item, to non-living things, they will never ever eat also. So food only needs, who needs? Only living things need. Okay. So which can grow, which things can grow, they can need water and water, light and energy and food to live and grow their body is called living things. So like this, students, we will give to food our body. So today, student, we are going to learn about this amazing body. Okay, so this amazing body already this God is given. Yes or no? It is truth. So we will study about this fact, some important fact and interesting fact about this our amazing body. Okay, how our body is growing. When you are becoming a nursery, now you are becoming third standard. Yes or no? So day to day life you are growing. You are taking food, then you are growing day to day life. Okay, students. So another thing also I would like to say you, students. See, student, does the all the so, students, did you ever observe, do you ever observe in your friend circle, in your school, the all children looks alike? Means how you are looking, are all children looking same as you looking? Yes or no? No, very good, student. Because all children are in different faces, different body structure. Yes or no? Our body is same, but structure is different. Structure means someone is height, someone is short. Okay. So look at this picture, student. All the faces are different. Even your parents, your mother, your father, your daughter, your brother, these all the faces are different in your family also. Not only your family, the whole world, in our human beings, animals, they are in different faces. Okay, all the human beings have different faces. Yes or no? But see, student, understood? Two animals can be looks like same, like a two dog, two elephant, they will look same exactly, but face may be same, but the human beings face are too different. Okay, from each other. Is it correct, student? It is very interesting fact. Do you know that? Okay, so like this, student, oh, we all are different in color, hairs, eyes, nose and shapes and size. So we are different, and family members will have some similarities through. Okay, No two people are look alike. Even a pair of identical twins would have some difference in their feature. If you might have seen sometimes from a mother, a twins will get birth. How will they get birth? After a twins also they are not same in the totally same, not their same, some little difference in their feature also, there are some little difference are there in their feature. Okay, but do you know that no matter how different we look, okay, our face may be different from each other student, but we all have the same body parts. Do you know that? You just realize, you just imagine, to you and your parents, father, mother, and any other brother or daughter, your friends also, you just compare with you and your with others. Your face and your sister face is different, your brother face is different, okay, your friend face is different, but hair is same. You have fingers, they also have fingers. You have head, they also have head. You have nose, they also have nose. You have leg, they have also leg. You have also stomach, they also have stomach. So this student, you think deeply. So all the body parts are same, but the faces are different. Yes or no? Okay, color may be different, but body parts are same. You have also finger, other people are also having same finger. Yes or no, student? So today we are going to discuss about this our body, because this body is same for all. So we will discuss more little about information about the body structure, okay, and what is there inside our body. So we have to know that each of us has a unique set of fingerprint and tongue print also. Do you know that this is called, student, fingerprint? Okay, when you will give some, I will tell you, student, when you will, sometimes you might have give fingerprints like this with ink. If you will put like this, student, that is called, you see, that is called fingerprint. Okay, you see, this is called fingerprint. And tongue, and the tongue, there is also tongue print also. Understood? This is called fingerprint. Understood, student? So students, now what is our body made of? How our body made of? We have to come to know. See, if you will see different objects in around yourself, these all the objects are made of some materials. Yes or no? You just look at your table, look at your fan, look at your bedroom, look at your dress. These are made of some substances, materials, like your bed is made of wood, your furniture is made of wood, your dining table is made of wood. Okay, so like this, student, did you ever thought that how is your body made of, in which material? So today we are going to discuss that only. Understood, students? So let's start, students. Our body is made of millions of very tiny living units called cells. So first of all, student, our body is made of cells. What? Made of millions of cells, means thousand, lakh, crore cells are there. I will tell you, student, this is my hand, and this hand is skin is there. This skin is made of tiny thousand, lakh, crore of cells are there inside that. Okay, the each cell the made becomes our body structure. Okay, so our body is made of millions of tiny living unit called cells. The cells, student, the cells are the building block of our body. The cells are building blocks of our body. How you are making, when you might have seen, when a construction is going on, or when you want to construct a home or house, you will put itangi. Do you know that? A brick, which we will say itangi. One by one we will put, then we will make a house or home. Like this, student, how a masons putting one by one a itangi or a brick, then after some days he will construct a home. Like this, student, our body is made of cells. One by one cell is made of lakh or crore cell. Okay, so they can only be seen under the powerful microscope. See, student, inside this body, this skin is made of millions of cells. Okay, we cannot observe this. If you observe, you can observe very carefully. This is the skin, but inside that skin, means that skin is made of cells. Okay, that cell you cannot identify with your naked eye. Okay, simple eye you cannot see. So for that you need powerful microscope. Okay, there are different types of cells are there. Okay, there are different types of cells, not only one cells are there, different types of cells are there. Okay, how you have different types of names and different types of faces you all have, and when you will make the houses, different types of bricks are there, different types of eating are there, and different types of color are there. You will use like this. Our body also made of different types of cells, yes or no? Some are the flat, some are the round, some are the very long and thin also. Okay, some are the flat, round and very long also. So here I will show you some of the cells are given throughout our body. Okay, it is taken from our body only, student. This is the nerve cell, how it looks like, you see. Okay, it's like throne. And red blood cell, in our body blood is there, so our red blood cell is looks like that only. You cannot see like this, you can see here because of microscope. They taken this figure and they printed here, so you can visible, you can see this. But in simply eye you cannot see. If you sometimes you saw when your blood come out from your body, you only see the blood, but you cannot see like this. But in your blood like this structure are there. Okay, student, white blood cell looks like this, student. This is the muscle cells, really looks like this. This is called muscle cell. Inside our body these type of cells are there, but we cannot see in naked eye, means in our simple eye. Through to see this we should use the microscope, very powerful microscope or electronic microscope we can say, through which we can see very small things. Okay, which is happening in our body. Understood, students? So I will write. So our body is made of different cells. Okay, our body is made of millions of cells. So our body is made of millions of cells. Okay, so it is called our basic unit of our life. So cell is called basic unit. So cell is called basic, it is called basic unit of life, basic unit of life. Okay, so all cells are, these are the body building block of our body. So these cells, how it looks like, student, I will tell you now. So like this, these are called body building of our cells. See, this is the cell like this. Okay, like this. Okay, and these are called cell. Each cell will made of our body, inside our body cell are like this. Okay, this is called cell. How you will might have seen in your near to your home, we will made the bricks, they will keep like this and they will make a home. Yes or no? Like this bricks will be there. Did you see, student? Okay, like this they will make and they will make a home. So like this our body cell are like this, body cell. Understood? They will be called building blocks. So it is called building blocks. Okay, building blocks of our body, How many types, student? So there are different types of cells. So one is round cell, I tell you. This is the one is flat, round and long and thin. Okay, different types of cells are there. Okay, one is round, flat, long and thin. Okay, round, flat, long and thin. Understood, student? Round, flat, long and thin cells are there. Okay, so I showed you, this is the nerve cell, this is the red cell, these are called round cell, and this is the thin cell muscle, and white blood cell, and this is the muscle cells. So these type of cells are there inside our body. Understood, students? So this is about little information about our body. Okay, to which we are giving regular food, water to our body, we are caring about our body. So our, this is are made of our body with the help of cells. Okay, students, so we should take care our body. This is the simple things. Okay, and we should give proper and hygienic food to our body itself. Okay, so for that, student, so we today we discuss little more information about the body. Next class, student, we will discuss more about it. Okay, we will go deeply towards our body. Okay, what is happening in our body. So till that, you watch this video properly and try to understand. Any doubt, you just ask me. So thank you, students, take care.